Hello everyone, welcome to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Proxmox for free using only the web interface, and how to configure the no subscription repository from the GUI. No command line. No SSH. Just clicks. Proxmox is open source, so all features are available for free. The subscription only provides enterprise support and a stable update repository. Without subscription, you can create unlimited VMs and containers. Clustering, HA, backups all work. Only enterprise support is missing. When you log in, you may see a message saying no valid subscription. This is only a notification, not a restriction. Let's configure the free repository using the GUI. Log into the Proxmox web interface using IP address and port. Select your node from the left panel. Click Node. Go to Updates. Click Repositories. Select PVE Enterprise. Click Disable. Still in Repositories. Click Add. Select No Subscription. Confirm. The free repository is now enabled. Go to Node, click Updates. Click Refresh. Click Upgrade. Proxmox will now download and install free updates. Go back to repositories and confirm. Enterprise repo, disabled. No subscription repo, enabled. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Next, we'll create our first virtual machine using the Proxmox GUI. Thanks for watching.